Hi friends, Devang here. So, exams starting from tomorrow. I hope all of you are preparing really well. Hope you all are feeling very confident in the exams. Remember two things for your exams. Yes, you have been studying very well, but remember my two suggestions for exam. Number one, write with all the confidence. And number two, write full 100 marks of paper. Now, to write with all the confidence, a lot of that depends, a lot of your confidence depends on your last day revision. I've seen many students that many of you are relying so much on your last day revision that all your confidence depends on that last day revision. For you people, let me give you one suggestion. Yes, do not have over dependence on that last day revision. Trust your preparations that you did even in the earlier days. It may not be possible for you to revise everything on the last day. CA exams are very huge. The syllabus is very huge. May not be possible for you to revise everything on the last day. Do not be over dependent on that last day preparation. If you are not able to revise last day, fine, it's okay. Have trust in your preparations that you had done in earlier days. Trust your preparations that yes, you will remember the things that you had done in earlier days. You will remember the things that you had done in the earlier days. CA exams are not actually difficult, but they are unexpected. The papers which seem to be difficult are not as difficult, but they are unexpected. And the reason why you find a paper unexpected is because you had some expectations. Yes, so I suggest rather than having expectations about some topics in the exam, you make your preparations for all topics in the exam. Don't leave anything in option. But on the last day, you may not be able to revise everything. That is why I'm telling you, have an open mind, have trust in your own preparations that you will remember even those things that you did not revise on the last day. But in spite of me telling this to you many times, still, it is a normal human tendency that you have to revise on the last day. And whatever you revise on the last day, you will feel more confident on that topics. Well, that is why I will be there for you on the last day also. I'm planning a full-fledged master revision, marathon revision for the entire subject of costing, CA final costing. And my schedule of that revision will be like this. We'll try to cover many important topics on that last day revision, which are expected in your exam. It'll be on 11th of July, 8 p.m. First session is on 11th July, 8 p.m. Your exams for costing CA final are on 13th of July. On 11th July, 8 p.m., we'll have a 2-hour session. And on the next day morning, 11 a.m., we'll have another 4 hours session. These 6 hours, I'll try to brush up certain important topics, not all, certain important topics that can help you build your confidence in the exam. But after that, on 12th July evening onwards, all the time is your self-study. Your self-study is most build your confidence. Yes, I'll be coming to you on 11th July evening because that day you might have just come after giving the previous paper. So you might be not too much in the mood to study. That's fine. I'll help you out to get into that mood on 11th July and on 12th July. And then after that, your self-study becomes more important. Yes. So see you all on 11th July for a full-fledged master revision, marathon revision of the entire subject that will help you get going through the exam. Yes, it is going to be conducted only on the Unacademy app. Only on the Unacademy app, but it is going to be a complete free session. You don't have to pay anything. You can use the code YESHES to unlock the free sessions. You'll see the code also in the link in the description below, and you'll also find the link to the revision series in the description below. Done. See you then. Bye bye. Thank you very much.